So I am loving my Hero 12. Absolutely fantastic camera. Haven't had any real issues with it yet. It's always recording and doing what it's supposed to do. Image quality is basically the same as the 11, but seems to have resolved most of the reliability problems. But I'm going to tell you something I didn't expect to tell you. I've got another Mini 11. I never thought I would have another one, but Square Trade just sent me a replacement, and they probably have tons of these because there's so many problems. Anyway, I'm going to give the 11 another shot. Don't be surprised if you hear episode 5 of the Mini 11 saga continue, because I've had nothing but problems from these cameras. Freezing while charging, freezing while flying. I have literally been through 4 of these pieces of shit. I loved the form factor though. It was lighter, smaller. I mean, it's in the right direction of what we wanted, but there were just so many bugs and problems with it. So hopefully this one's not fucked, and we'll give it another shot. And if not, I guess I'm gonna beg Square Trade for my money back. We'll see. Wish me luck, boys.